Hi guys, welcome back to my channel number Jean's Travel Journey, and for today's video I'm gonna show you my DIY garland decorations, door entrance garland decorations. So I bought this one from Michael's, these garlands, and I installed there already. And let's start doing my DIY. So let's start by cutting the ribbons here, the red ribbon, and I have two kinds of ribbons, the red one and the other one, the checkered. You can see that in the next one here. This is the checkered, and I bought these ribbons from Michael's also. So this is not a sponsored video, by the way. I just tell you where I bought this. And I am making these ribbons to put around the Christmas balls. So I carried the ribbon with the same length. I am imagining something like it has something in my head that I wanted to make for my garland. So just like that, I do like that, just twist the two ribbons and then put this wire, the small wire. I don't know how they call this kind of wire, but it's the wire that you can buy in Michael's also for your things. So I made 7 like this to put around the Christmas balls for the garlands. So these are the balls here, the Christmas balls with the ribbons, and we're gonna put this one around the garland. So natin siya dyan. Sana magstay siya hanggang sa matapos ang Christmas. Ganyan for a while, but I have something to put again. So I carried ribbons here, pieces of ribbons to add around the garlands, and this is the result here. So this is for a while in this video, guys. I will try to finish next week for the whole area here around the garage and my window. See you.